Hi guys, welcome to Shark Can Cook. Today we are going to make a yummy raisin nut cookie with a delicious brown butter frosting. So let's get started. First thing you want to do is preheat your oven to 350 or 177 degrees Celsius. Add a 5-ounce container of evaporated milk and 1 tablespoon of vinegar. Give it a little stir and set aside. Now to a small bowl, you're going to want to add 2 cups of flour, all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, half a teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon ground clove, 1 teaspoon of allspice, and 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg, ground nutmeg. Give it a good sift. Now, you want to whisk it all together just to make sure it's all combined. Okay, set that aside. Then in a large bowl, we're going to add 1/2 cup of soft shortening, 2 cups of packed brown sugar. I'm just going to give it a little mix before I add the eggs. Now add your 2 large eggs. And you want to beat this until it's fluffy. Okay, that's well mixed up. That was 3 minutes. Now you're going to want to add the milk mixture. Blend it in, start it slow. Now your flour mixture. And again, start it slow so it doesn't fly all over the place. Now you're going to want to scrape down the sides to get all that extra little flour on the side of the bowl in. Stir up the bottom. Okay. Now we're going to add in our 3 cups of raisins. And 1 cup of chopped walnuts. Give that a good mix. This really smells good. This is really a good cookie. You really like it. So I hope you do give it a try. So once this is all incorporated and your oven's set at 350, you want to get a sheet pan. Okay, get your baking sheet, and you can either line it with a silk pad or parchment paper, or you can just grease your baking sheet, whatever you want to do. Just put some on the cookie sheet. Don't put them real close together if they spread out. Okay, now you're going to want to put this in the oven, like I said, at 350, and you're going to bake them for about 13 minutes, 13 to 15 minutes. Just check on them every now and then. I mean, they look like they're pretty well done. Take them out. Okay, see you in at 13. Okay, that was 13 minutes. I'm just going to let them cool a bit, and then I'm just going to transfer them to the wire rack to let them cool completely before icing. Okay, see you in a little bit. To a heavy skillet on medium heat, add your 1½ sticks of butter, or 3/4 cup. You want to melt that down. Now let it come to a boil. Okay, now you want to keep stirring. You don't want to leave this unattended because you will burn it. It's going to foam up. What you want is a nice, rich, golden brown color with specks of brown butter. Now it's starting to turn a little brown there, getting golden brown. And there's brownness on the specks on the bottom. There's brown specks. You don't want to let it go too long because it will burn. So I think that's good. Turn the heat off and set it aside. Pour it into a heat-proof bowl and let it sit for about half an hour. Okay, to your bowl add 3 cups of confectionery sugar, your powdered sugar, 3 tablespoons of evaporated milk, and 1½ teaspoons of vanilla. Now just give it a little stir to get some of that powdered sugar combined. Start out slow. Keep mixing until it comes together. Okay, give it a stir. Okay, now we can start icing our cookies. Now just take some of your icing and smear it on your cookies. As much or as little as you want. But trust me, this icing is excellent. It's so tasty. And with the soft cookies, it just complements it so well. These cookies are so tender. And with that icing, it really tops it off. Really, really good. So I hope you give it a try. And if you like this video, leave a comment and tell me what you thought about it. And I'll see you at my next one. Bye.